Hey y'all, Iric Sky here, and I want to show you how to attach the Mavic Air prop guards. Again, check the link within this video's description and you can find where to order the Mavic Air and various colors, various bundles online. But if you look at these prop guards, what you'll see indicated kind of in the middle there, this particular one says RF, Romeo Foxtrot, right in front of my thumb. So that would be right front. So to identify the front of your aircraft, look at the camera. So right front, RF, would be this. So I'm going to open this up gently. And then I'm going to place this underneath the thing here. And then gently clamp down. So that's got that one. This next one here says LF. If you can see that, LF. This video is in 4K Ultra HD, by the way. So that would be left front. So again, the front of the aircraft. And gonna go right here. Did I misread that? It says LF. It should be left front. Oh, it fits. I just didn't go. So it's worth mentioning. See right there, I went really close to the motor. That's important. And then this one says LR. So that should be left rear. Go to the rear of my aircraft. Stick this on there. Oops, before I do that though, notice this out here. And again, this is my first time putting on the prop guards, so there's an opportunity for lessons learned here. So stick this and that, and then that goes there. And gently close that. It makes a snap sound. That's kind of cool. See, that connects that. If you ever dealt with prop guards in the past, you probably found some that had string, and just was kind of goofy. And then this, same situation here. Kind of stick that in that before we begin here. Actually, I'll go ahead and snap that down, and then the final step is this piece right there. So now, see, the prop guards are on. Look at that. And they're very lightweight. Now, actually, that's the first thing I commented about within the, one of the first things I commented about within the unboxing video. It's how lightweight these prop guards are. And again, I've always been an advocate of drone safety and always will be. So anything that one can attach, I mean, obviously this is still dangerous. It's still a drone, and it needs to be used in a safe and responsible fashion by someone that knows how to, that properly understands the operations of the drone. But it's, yeah, just super duper nice looking. Look at that. So most of my videos, I'll probably be using those. I don't see a reason to not use prop guards. And it'll be interesting in an upcoming field test to see with prop guards on versus prop guards off, what's the battery life like. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe and check out epicdroneshow.com to find all of my Mavic Air videos, where to order the Mavic Air online, the accessories, my field test videos, and just a ton of good stuff. Y'all have a good day.
Hey y'all, Iric Sky here. If you enjoyed this video, please be sure to subscribe, like, and share. It's viewers like you that enable my channel to continue to grow. Thank you.